Tafliad i'r Drenewydd. Young yn codi'n uwch na neb. A Cyrsio heibio'r postyn. Yr unig gyfle o werth mewn hanner cynta tawel. Fletcher i Rushton. Melvin sydd yna. O Rushton yn dwy'n y bel o dan drwy'n Melvin. O rhediad campus ac yn chwarae hi drwadd i Bountford. O, fodfeddi heibio'r postyn. Tydi Luke Bountford ddim yn methu rheina fel arfer. Chwarae da gan Rushton yn bwydo Bountford. Ond yn methu'r cyfle. Damien Allen i John Owen. Heibio un, heibio dau. Wel, rhai yn honni bod o isio cic. Rydd ond yn chwarae'r bel allan i Phillips ac yn tynnu cyn Craig Williams. Phillips, o'r bediad campus gan Jones. Wel, mi oedd hwnna yn rediad da gan John Owen yn chwarae Phillips i fewn ar y chwith. Am ddiffyn gwael gan y tîm cartre. Borelli. I Hobson. Owen, allan y tro cynta i Phillips. Williams o'i flaen ydy Phillips am fynd ei hun, mae o'n mynd ei hun ac yn sgorio i roed Aberystwyth ar y blaen. Chwarter awr o'r ail hanner wedi mynd. Wel, Craig Williams y capten yn euog am ddiffyn gwael a Phillips yn ei gosbi. Fletcher o rhoi'r bel i ffwrdd i Melvin. Hobson yn ôl i Melvin. O, mae John Owen yn rhydd ar y dde cyfleu. Ddeblu mantais Aberystwyth. Ond yn syth at Jones. Owen. John am gystal y tro hyn. Williams yn ei darllan i. Fletcher. Yn codi'r bel. Ethan Jones ydy'r targed. Mullock allan yma Jones yn syrthio ar llawr. Mullock yn cydiad yn dynnu y bel. Chris Hughes wedi waharddodd i ar y fainc. Yn edrych yn ofalus. Na'r penderfyniad cywir. Tafliad i Aberystwyth. Sherlock. O Phillips yn ennill y bel yn y diwedd. A mae Owen yn rhydd ar y dde ac yn cael ei chwarae fewn gan Phillips. Owen am yr ail. Ac unwaith eto'n methu cyfle i raidd. Wel, os na geith Aberystwyth rhywbeth o'r gêm yma heddiw, bydd John Owen ddim yn cysgu llawer heno. Cyfle i roed Aberystwyth ymhellach ar y blaen. Jones ar gig gol. Young arbeniad clir yn ôl tuag at yr eilydd Sherlock. Digonedd o amser o milltiroedd heibio'r gol. Faint o gyfleoedd mae Aberystwyth ei hangen. Sears yr amser yn bryn i'r Drenewydd. Bountford, Denny. Mae'n disgyn i Jones. O, amddiffyn gwych. Cyrsio dros y bar. Ac ai hwnna di cyfle ola'r Drenewydd y pnawn ma.
Huge result for us that, you know, with Carmarthen losing last night. It was a massive game and fully deserved 3 points, I thought. We were excellent all over the pitch and you know, we nullified their attacks and as you say, we looked dangerous on the break and we could have had a few more goals, but you know, the boys have had a hard week, you know, a long trip to Carmarthen on Tuesday and then coming here and 2 wins. I couldn't praise them anymore, you know, they were outstanding, every single one of them today, and great result for us.
It was always going to be that type of game where one goal decided it. You know, to be fair to their boys, it's a great strike. You know, we've had some good chances. We had a good chance at 0-0 with Luke Bamford, and then we've had a couple of others after that. So, you know, in terms of how we played, we're probably a little bit lack of tempo at times, but you know, probably not. You know, they'll say that you know they've won the game and won 1-0. It was a good result for them, but yeah, it's probably a 0-0 was a fair result. But you know, probably it was going to be either a mistake or a bit of quality that settled it, and their boys put a great strike in the bottom corner to win them the game.
As you say, that I think that puts us 11 points clear of the drop zone now. So you know, we've got to be looking at maybe 8th place, and you know, we got 5 league games left, and as you say, the semi-final of the cup. So we just want to go and win every game. And as you say, we've been on a good run of form since Christmas, really, apart from the Barry results. And you know, we were missing Declan Walker and Ryan Way today, and lads have come in and done a good job, and that says you know, that how much of confidence is there within the players.
if the Welsh Cup semi-final is going to be something the same, it's going to be a tough competitive battle, isn't it?
Yeah, look, it was a cagey affair. I think you've probably seen both sides were obviously wanted to try and win the game, maybe for different reasons. But from our point of view, we'll review it. We'll review the game. We've had a good look at Aber today and vice versa. And I'm sure in 3 weeks it'll be a different game.